Not only do we have an upcoming earnings catalyst tomorrow with TSM reporting earnings that's going to affect the whole market, we also have what's more important. We have the icy hot bowl with the Bengals and the Steelers. We got Flacco versus Aaron Rodgers. So in light of that, we're going to be looking at DraftKings in here on the weekly chart. Right now, we're trading in that $35 range. We're up basically 3% today, and we're trading in between two key zones, 36.50 and this 32.20 right here. Anything below 32.20, it's going to be kind of like our red zone down here. We're looking for a bounce right off this 200 SMA. That's what we're looking for. If we get below a nice breach below 32.20 and a hold, then we know that we're looking for a bounce here off this 200-day moving average. If we do hold this 32, what it looks like we're doing right now in this week with this green candle so far, then we're really not a whole lot of anything until you get up here to this 36.50. This is going to be our major resistance point in here. And so we're basically $1 off of it right now. So we're looking for a nice breach and a hold of these 36s. If we do not get that, then look for a pullback back down here. Then we try to find some footing in here right around maybe those 34s or 33s. But if we do get a breach and a hold of that 36.50, then look for a run up in here to right around those mid 39s. That's where your 9-day EMA is trading. That's where our previous resistance is. So that's going to be a good area for us to look out for. So that's kind of what we're looking for here on DraftKings on the weekly chart. Very nice and simple. Right around $1 expected move priced in by this Friday, next Friday, $2, and you have our earnings coming up at the beginning of November. So we're going to see what happens in here as we move along through this football season to see if that affects anything in here for DraftKings. We're also going to see how we're going to correlate with the market, especially with that earnings catalyst coming up tomorrow with that TSM reporting earnings. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.